Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jonathan Diaz, your dialysis dietitian. And if you're looking for dialysis recipes that are still healthy for you, I'm your guy. So let's mix things up and let's make this Mexican dish, Tinga. So first things first, we're gonna boil the chicken. 1 pound of chicken, I'm gonna boil with celery, 2 bay leaves, and ginger. The reason why I like these ingredients is because it does give the chicken a different flavor and it's not just bland. You can put a pinch of salt. I prefer not to because the rest of the dish will have some salt. So we let it boil, and once it's done, we let it cook until it hits 165 degrees or higher. And chicken's done. And reserve the chicken stock or the broth. Do not throw it away. And let's... my suggestion is do not touch the chicken hot unless you like to get burned. I learned this from a roommate. Using 2 forks makes the job a lot easier. So try the forks. Now, for the onions, we're gonna mince them. I'm gonna be lazy and use a food processor. You can mince them with a knife, but I use the food processor. Now that we're done mincing our onions, we're gonna make our Tinga sauce that makes it orange. So in a blender, we're going to put in 1 cup of chicken broth that I said to save, 2 chiptoles, nothing more, because again, it just has potassium and some salt, and 1 teaspoon of MSG, monosodium glutamate. Blend this all together. And again, I like to use MSG because it does give it that umami flavor, and it's low sodium. And again, this sauce is gonna be for 1 pound of chicken, nothing more. And once you're done blending it, do not sniff it. Please don't. Because it will burn your throat or your nose. Now here's my favorite part of the recipe, sauteing the onions and garlic paste with the oil. If it gets a little dry, you can add chicken broth instead of the water that as you saw. I prefer chicken broth, but I use water. After sauteing for 2-3 minutes, add a little more chicken broth, add the Tinga sauce, add the bay leaf, and again, let it cook for 6 minutes. Once it's boiling for 6 minutes, add the chicken, and if it's looking dry like it is right there, add the chicken broth instead of water. And you're done. So enjoy this Mexican dish from the state of Puebla. The only thing that is not Mexican is that I don't use tostadas or tomatoes because of the phosphorus and potassium. But overall, this is a low phosphorus, sodium, and potassium dish and low sugar. So you can serve it with rice and lettuce. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, notification bell down below, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks, and you have a great week. See you next time.